So guys, this is how you can service your AC by yourself. First of all, you unplug it, then you open here. As you can see, there is the filter. As you can see, it's so dusty. So the primary aspect of cleaning your AC is just to wash that filter and put it back. But if you can be able to go further to loosen it and clean it more, that would be nice. As you can see, I'm trying to clean it properly, even though I don't have the complete equipment to be able to clean it very well. But I wanted to clean it as much as I can, and also to show you the processes. Sometimes when your AC gets so dirty, you will notice that the smell of the air coming out from it will be dusty, and also it won't be so active like it's supposed to be. So that is why it is proper for you to clean your AC once in a month. You must not call AC technicians to do this for you. All you need to do is just to clean it. It's so simple. Follow these steps, and please like and share and save this video for later use.